had half of this done yesterday. Y'all seen what? Everything masked and scuffed, ready to shoot. All the body work in this door is done. Like I said, I put that reducer in there and the same thing happened. So I'm just figuring it out. And that was like a half, a 4.1.5. But whatever. And I think something wrong with the pressure gauge on that thing, because I would be turning it up to like 40. That's the only way to spray out like this instead of like that. So figuring it out. I'm gonna clean the gun again. So we're gonna make sure, see what's up. I didn't want to do it, buying up glass and all that. So whatever, just trying to get this thing out. I ain't even set up the wheel this deal right there. But yeah, y'all seen scraped stuff right there. But all that, we there. So literally shoot the jams, let it dry. Put all the stuff back in, all the weather stripping, wet sand the whole car, and ready to shoot. Literally ready to shoot. And then after that, just make the sunroof work, put all the stuff back together. These 3-hour days, man, killing me. But yeah, man, that's it for now.
Change. A lot of these niggas I'm changing, don't even feel me. That's why I rap about the pain. I told them all I know.
Man, I hate that. I got overspray right there, man. It's hard as hell to take that window strip out, but whatever. I'm gonna just wipe it off with some lacquer thinner. I'm in there. It got too hot. I was baking this boy. It was 90 degrees.
Student of the game, I'm just ahead of my class. I'm that nigga, but I never got my head on my ass. Doing good.
Man, shooting the first coat, the gun is sucking. My spray gun, the wart, the paint, man, it's something up with the paint because the what you call it, the Mason paint, same PSI, same fluid level, same spray atomization. The paint coverage was like more than my hand. Like, and with this, show you what it looked like. I was playing with it right here. It came down there, but it's fine. See what it looked like. So, and the air compressor keep trying to build pressure as I'm going and cutting itself off. So I'm letting it build pressure. It's gonna take a lot longer than I thought. And I need to find a way to get my 60 gallon here because a lot of the body work could have been faster. A lot of everything could have been faster with the bitches compressor. And I got space and I got half of the line I need. I'm gonna get 2 more of these lights, so I put one in each corner. But yeah, I'm waiting on a compressor to want to cut back on. I ain't trying to overdo it. So yeah, I need to find a way to get my 60 gallon here. Yeah, so hopefully I can get it together right after this. I got clear, that's still good, and pot life. Kind of tired, ready to just quit, but I'm like there. So the compressor, what I did, it kept cutting off. I stuck it outside in the cold, and it's been going strong ever since. The gun, when I was saying the gun and the paint. Yeah, so when I was saying the paint and the reducer, one of the two was bad, or the paint sucked. Actually, my hole was clogged. So I took a small drill bit I got that I used pre-drill for boxes, stuck it in there, and man, it started flowing like much better. Like I put like at least 7 coats of white, and then noticed that. And then once I did that, it was like a drastic difference, man. Drastic. Now I did the car 2 times right after that. As soon as I did that, and it filled everything nicely. Because the front bumper was looking bluish after still like 7 coats of white. I did a horrible tape job, man, but I'm getting my skills up. But live and learn. J-Rock went to go get some more water. Look, didn't notice that dent, but that's could be knocked in. I ain't scared to show no flaws, man. Wife said she want her car, so. But the piece that I was working on the most, man, came out flawless. Flawless, not a single flaw. So, at least that's good, I guess. Doors looking real good. The jams are done on this side too. They got overspray in it, but it do look good. It do look real good. I'm like there, and I'm like, man, do I really want to just finish this? Cause I was supposed to have this cleared already, forced heat, and then I moved the truck up. The truck is outside. I was gonna go jump the box Chevy and put that in here too. But man, I'm kind of tired. Well, I'm gonna try to push through, man. I got like 40 minutes to try to do all that. We'll see.